Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TTNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that during the first 30 minutes, the price was all the way down there. However, by the time, everything has, the dust has settled, the price works its way back up to that area of the chart. Any rational person would say, yeah, the price has made a nice bounce. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 75-cent mark. Why is 75 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 75. Any sort of movement, let's say down to here, and then the price just keeps on going, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price literally right back inside of that area of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote progress being defined as 75 cents. Now, in the event the movement continues, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. First key level of resistance is going to be basically the top portion of this little channel that's formed, and that's right up there at 80 cents. Several times the price has tried to get through 80, just hasn't been able to do it, so that'll be the first key hurdle that needs to be cleared. After 80 cents, next key level up there at 85. So overall, an interesting setup going forward, and now definitely the question becomes, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.